So if you're looking for a way to pay for your AI subscriptions online, this video is for you. You're also planning to send money to your families abroad or your friends abroad. This video is for you, all right? So I'm talking about RedotPay, and RedotPay offers both voucher and also physical card that you can actually use online. So now you can also send money abroad, or people abroad can also send money to you using crypto. So you'll be able to fund your card or your account with crypto, all right, stable coin, with stable coins such as USDT, USDC, and so on. I'll show you how you can actually buy USDT using your OPay, your kuda, and so on. This video is for everybody regardless of your country, all right? But if you're watching from Nigeria, I'll show you how you can simply buy crypto using your OPay, your kuda, and so on. So now guys, as you can see right here, this is digital force spending made simple. You simply want to experience effortless secure payment for subscriptions, travel, and everyday purchases. So you can go for virtual card or physical card right there. So with this, you can send crypto, receive local currencies. They are going to send crypto to you from abroad, and you're going to receive that in your local currency. Isn't that amazing? So guys, this is what I'll show you in this video. So you simply want to get the app on Play Store or App Store. Now as you can see right here, I'm on Play Store, and now I'll simply want to click on this app. All right, so you simply want to search for RedotPay. So as you can see, I have this app installed on my phone already. So now simply tap on it to actually get started. I want you to take note of something. Now before you actually create your account, I want you to go to the description of this video or the comment section and click on the exact link right there in order to receive 5 USD when you actually create your account. All right, so now the next thing you want to do is simply come here where you see this right there. So by tapping on that, guys, you'll be able to verify your identity. As you can see, my identity has been approved right here, identity verification. So you simply want to submit your NIN. If you do not have NIN, you can use your international passport, your voter's card, or your driver's license. All right, so now you simply need to go back again. Of course, guys, you need to complete your facial verification also. So you want to come to where you see security. So this is the first thing you simply do right here on this app. So you want to add your phone number, your email address, Google Authenticator, passkey, and you can also set your password. All right, so when you're done with that, guys, you are good to go. So now the next thing you simply want to do right here is simply activate your card. All right, so now you can simply get card right here. They have the virtual card and the physical card. So now for the virtual card, you can apply for this card. It is 10 USD. Work with Apple and Google Pay. So now you simply want to click on the link in the description in order to get 5 USD. So you can then fund your account with 5 USD. I'll show you how you can simply do this using your OPay, your kuda, or your bank transfer, and you are going to get USDT. And I'll show you how you can also send money to your families abroad or your friends abroad, or how your friends abroad or your families abroad can send money to you using this RedotPay app. All right, so please make sure you stick with me right to the end of this video. Right, so now another card right there is this card 10 USD. So you can apply for this. Another one is Solana edition. This is made with Solana. It's also 10 USD. And we have another one which is Nature edition, Emerald Palm, and this is also 10 USD. This SRP and so on. So guys, now anyone you're okay with, you can simply apply to it. All right, so now let me show you how you can send money right there. So you can simply come to send right there. So now you can simply go with send globally or internal transfer. Okay, now let's say you're from UAE and you want to send money to Nigeria. You can simply come here, send globally, and enter the amount right there. Let's say I want to send 2,000 AED. Right, so now the person in Nigeria, the recipient, will receive this amount right here. All right, and this is the fees right there which is included. So this is how you can simply send money from your country to another country. So you send it crypto, you're going to load your accounts, you're going to fund your accounts with crypto and send in your own currency, and the person is going to receive in his or her own local currency. All right, so you can also change it right there, change to any one of your choice: USDT, USDC, gram, BNB, and so on. You can also do that right there, internal transfer right there. So now this, I actually love this. Now you just want to get the recipient UID, email, or the phone number. Right, so by actually getting this, you'll be able to send money to the recipient. So you just want to enter the UID right here and click on next. So with that, you can click on UID, email, phone number, and you'll be able to send money to the recipient. All right, so now how do you fund your wallet? How do you fund your account? So now let me show you how you can simply do that. So now we simply go back to home. If you want to come to more right there, so when you click on more, as you can see, we have earn, we have credit, we have referral, we have P2P right here, we have gift card, we have mobile top up. So guys, you can also do top up and buy data right there with USDT or with crypto. All right, so you can also buy crypto directly. All right, instead of going to P2P, so you can click on buy crypto, select your currency right here. Instead of USD, you can buy with anyone. All right, you can buy with anyone, and also the one you want, maybe you want to receive it in USDT, you can also change it right there. If you want it in USDT, USDC, ETH, and so on. So now this is how you can simply buy crypto from here. But now if you are in Nigeria and you want to make use of P2P, so now let me show you how you can simply do this with your OPay. All right, so you want to click on P2P right here. All right, so now I'll simply enter my desired amount right here. Let me say 7,000 naira. So now as you can see, I'm getting 5.13 USDT. So now simply click on select payment method. So now we have Kuda, we have bank transfer, we have OPay, we have FanPay, we have PayCorp or OPay right here. This is the price per USDT. So now I'll simply go with OPay. Let's say I want to pay with OPay. Now simply preview order. So now by clicking on this, guys, I'll be able to get 5 USDT with 7,000 naira. All right, so guys, you can simply buy USDT using your OPay directly on these platforms. So with that, you'll be able to activate your card right here and also fund it. You can send money abroad, and they can also send money from abroad to you. All right, so guys, now this is what I have for you in today's video. Don't forget to use the link in the description in order to get 5 USD bonus, and you're going to get 5 USD credited to your account. All right, and make sure you verify your identity in order to start using RedotPay. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you right in the next one.